Hello everyone, noodle lovers should save this recipe. Today I'm going to share a simple and delicious braised eggplant noodles with you. Prepare 2 fresh eggplants and cut them into thick slices. Then cut them into strips. And then dice them. After cutting, put them into a large bowl. Add a spoonful of salt. Mix well by hand. After mixing, marinate for 10 minutes to draw out the moisture from the eggplant. Prepare 5 UN worth of pork and remove the skin. Separate the fatty meat from the lean meat. Cut the fatty meat into small cubes. After cutting, put it on a plate and dice the lean meat as well. Prepare 3 green peppers and cut them into irregular chunks. After cutting, put them on a plate for later use. Prepare 20 grams of ginger and mince it. After cutting, add an appropriate amount of green onion to the plate and chop it into scallion rings. Lightly crush a few garlic cloves and mince them. Our eggplants have finished marinating. Add some water. Rinse off the excess salt. After rinsing, take them out and squeeze out the water. Add a little oil to the pan. Add the green peppers and stir fry to bring out their aroma. Stir fry for 30 seconds, then remove and set aside. Add a little oil to the pan, then add the diced fatty pork and stir fry. Render the fat from the pork so the flavor becomes richer. Then add the lean pork. Stir fry the lean pork until it's cooked and fragrant. Add minced ginger and chopped scallions, and stir fry until aromatic. Add a splash of cooking wine to remove any unpleasant odors. Add an appropriate amount of dark soy sauce and sweet bean paste. Stir fry until the color develops and the sauce becomes fragrant. Add the eggplant and stir fry evenly. Then add enough water to cover half of the eggplant. Add a spoonful of salt and a spoonful of chicken bouillon. Add a little sugar to enhance the flavor and mix well. Once it comes to a boil, add the fresh noodles and arrange them evenly. Cover with a lid and simmer on the lowest heat for 15 minutes. When the time is up, stir the noodles so they can fully absorb the sauce. Then add the sautéed green peppers and minced garlic. Stir everything together evenly, and that's it. Wow, the aroma is just amazing. A simple and delicious plate of braised eggplant noodles is ready. Every time I have guests, I make this dish, and everyone who tries it can't stop praising it. If you like my video, remember to like, comment, and share it. Thank you for your support.